Hey guys, and welcome to AnswerSwipe. This is the first public release video, and in this video I'm going to show you how AnswerSwipe works, why it's great, and why it's the most efficient Yahoo Answers marketing application to date. Now before we get started, let me give a brief introduction about how these things work. Up to now, most of the applications targeted towards Yahoo Answers had been developed on a browser-based system. What this means is that it uses an internet browser, typically Internet Explorer in the backend, to process the functions and the tasks that you set up through the program. Now, this is only marginally good because it's not a long-term solution. The reason for this is not adaptable to any changes in Yahoo Answers. If there are changes in Yahoo Answers, then the program has to be redesigned. It's a bit slower, less efficient. AnswerSwipe runs on a socket-based system. And now, without getting any technical, this means it's much quicker, much more efficient, and much more effective in producing results. Okay, so now let's get right into this. Let me show you how this works. First of all, this is the main page. This is the hub of the program, essentially. It's a search questions page. On this page, you can look for questions underneath your keyword, specify some of the filters, and your country. So, as you can notice here, all countries are supported by Yahoo Answers and by AnswerSwipe. So, if you're located in Germany, you can use the German local. If you're located in the UK, use a UK local website, Italy, and so forth. This is a good way of getting more locally targeted traffic, particularly if you run an offline business and you want to recommend a product or a solution offline. So, discount shoes in New York City, for instance, as an example. In this example, I'm located in Australia, so I'm going to use the Australian version right here. And I'm going to put in a keyword, best phone. Okay, let's increase the max results to 50. We don't really matter, doesn't really matter how many number of answers there are. And let's do a submit in the last 3 days. Hit search, and you can look at the speed right now and how quickly it works. Hit search. We'll start bringing back questions almost immediately, one by one, so until you get to 50. Okay, and it's almost done. So now all we have to do, we have to select the questions that we want to answer. In this case, we can select all of them if we want, or we can select a couple of them. Okay, so let's go 1, 2, and let's say 3. Okay, just for the sake of this. This is an answer I posted up earlier. I imported into the program. Now I'm going to add it to the little field, so I'm going to press import, like so. Source worked as a phone tech for several years. Okay, so in this example, I wrote an answer. I'm spinning it using the spin text feature. So right now you can see these brackets are setting aside between iPhone 4S and BlackBerry 9900 or the HTC Nexus. Now let's select the Yahoo Answers account, and to do this, let me go back to the Accounts Manager and show you how this works. I've got a list of imported accounts. I'm just going to go ahead and select one of them. In this case, let's go this one. Okay, and I check the box, and it's going to appear here. By default, if you import accounts in, they're all automatically going to be checked, so you can use them immediately. So select this. I've got my answer selected. I've got everything selected. I'm going to hit post, and it's going to go out and start posting. Now you'll see it's very quick, and we can show you how it goes about viewing the results and how it's going to look afterwards. So very straight away, answer the question. Go back to browser. This is an embedded browser. You can see what's going on here. Essentially an easy way to track things. In this case, we search best phone, open questions, last 3 days. So pretty effective, right? So if we go back to search questions, you can see another one was selected correctly, answered correctly, and another one. So within 15 seconds, we've answered 3 questions successfully. Now if we double click on them, like so, you'll see it's going to go back to the actual page, and you'll see our answer right here. Right? Easy. Now this is an amazing way to gather in opt-ins, leads, subscribers, really good for SEO benefit, and it's a great form of direct marketing. People are looking for a solution, and you give them that solution. Or people have a problem, and you deliver them a solution. Where can I find discount toys? Look for discount toys here. Navigate them to your CPA link, to your affiliate link, to your website, to your URL, whatever it is. You have a very, very direct response. And if for any reason there isn't a question that is relevant to your keywords, post up your own. Let me show you how you can do that right now as well. Go back here, post question, answer. Post up your own questions. Let's select another account. Let's go. Oops. go. Let's just take another one. I'm sure this is an active account. It might be. Let's go back here and let's post the question. Where can I find frosted glass for my room? I want some extra privacy, and I want to tint my windows with frosted glass. Okay, so I got the question here. Hit post. This is just an example of how easy it is to use different accounts and automate the whole solution, where you are posting something and then answering it and recommending it, and next time somebody searches for the same keyword, frosted glass for my room or frosted glass in Google, 5-7 times out of 10 your Yahoo Answers page is going to appear first. So now you have a question right there. Change your account, select this question, post your answer right here. Frosted glass can typically be found off eBay. It ranges between $10 and $15. Okay. Once again, I can put in a link here if I want. For this example, I'm not going to do that, but just so you can get the idea. So let's hit post. So I'm going to go ahead and answer this question once again, and then we can take that a step further and select this best answer as well. So it gives you a kind of a comprehensive solution for Yahoo Answers marketing. And once you can automate and scale these things up, you're living. Outsource some of these tasks, and hey, I have some users making $2,000 a month just using Yahoo Answers. Go back here, double click on this if necessary, and you can see here that we have the question we just posted and the question we just answered within minutes. Okay. So that's that. It's very simple. One final thing I want to show you before we leave is the account creator. Now, the account creator is very unique. It's probably the most effective one yet. And just because it's automated, it's simple, and it requires no hard labor. It will do everything for you, essentially. So it's like random bot name, randomized name and last name, randomized information. And of course, you can enter in manually your usernames, passwords, that kind of stuff. But if you want to get run automatically, just select those boxes, hit start. So go ahead and display CAPTCHA. We are integrating with CAPTCHA solving services in the next version to keep completely 150% automated. But for now, hit start, enter your CAPTCHA like so. I think it's an O, Y, M, and hit create. So go ahead and create it and add it into here. You can import that back into your program and use it that way. Now, this is only a fraction of all the features that are available. There are lots of behind the scenes stuff, lots of stuff for advanced users, variables, link tags, URL randomization, all these really cool stuff. You have your save and load project features here for more usability, proxy settings, proxy testers, lots and lots of stuff. I could go on and on for hours, but in the interest of keeping things simple, smooth, and efficient, I'm going to cut it short. So if we go back to the Yahoo account creator, one of the reasons why this is so effective as well, because you don't actually have to use proxies. Well, not at least for the first 70 accounts. So we have a really kind of proprietary system, a proprietary system involved, which essentially allows you to bypass all of the IP blockages and these kind of things. The first account takes about 60 seconds to create to bypass protection, and then after that you can bang it out a bit quicker. So that's that, and you'll see it should get posted right about now. Okay, so you can see it's created an account right there. You can create another one like so, and create. Done. So it's very efficient. It's very effective, and it's very streamlined. That's all for today. Feel free to keep on reading, and congratulations if you decide to purchase this. We offer full help, full support, live chat, whatever you need, along with a little range of reading materials and tutorials. And just as an aside, if you're an existing Answers Salt user, since we've partnered up with that company, you get $20 upgrade to Answers Swipe. Thanks. Bye.